This is your final review, numbers 31 and 32. We are simplifying our rational expressions. This is a fancy way of saying factor the top, factor the bottom, and cancel anything out that is the same. So I notice on top we have k squared minus k minus 2. I'm going to factor that using the x method. Remember, my c value goes on top, so I have a negative 2 on top, and my, sorry, I already did this wrong. We want to multiply to negative 2, which is our c value, and add to our b value, which is negative 1. So what can I multiply to get negative 2 and add to get negative 1? It's going to be negative 2 and a positive 1, and those are going to be my two factors on top. So my new fraction is going to have x minus 2 and an x plus 1 on top. We still need to figure out our denominator. For the denominator, we're also going to use the x method. Again, my c value goes on top. It's going to be negative 5. And on the bottom, we have a negative 4. So what multiplies to negative 5 and adds to negative 4 is going to be negative 5 and a positive 1. So on the bottom, we have x minus 5 and x plus 1. Now remember, if there's anything on the top and the bottom that's the same, we can cancel it out. So in our case, it's x plus 1 and x plus 1. So my final answer would be x minus 2 over x minus 5. The next one, we're doing the same thing. We got factor the top, factor the bottom. On top, we have t squared minus 14 minus 32. So we're going to do the x method again. Again, c goes on top. We're looking at negative 32. We got something that multiplies to that and adds to b, which is negative 4. In this case, it's going to be negative 8 and a positive 4. So that means that the top of my fraction is going to be t minus 8 and t plus 4. On the bottom, we already have a t minus 8. If you want, you can put parentheses around it. So since we have two t minus 8s, my final answer is just going to be t plus 4.